Our YouTube fan collectors, here we have this 36-inch Kenroy. I believe what the label says. It's a bit faded. Let me get a good shot for you guys. It's a Evergo/Union, and it looks. I mean, I've seen many versions of this thing. I do not recall seeing a 36 version before, though. It's missing the bottom nut to it, but no big deal. And I got it from Relics down in Jacksonville, along with some Delta tubes. Let's go ahead and put it on to the load. That load looks like it's on enough. I think it's the control. I just need to take off the load. The load's not working. So there's medium low. I haven't done anything to this fan, oiling or anything like that. It's just as it is, and it runs fairly well. I had to bend the blades back in the order. Two of them were bent almost at a 45-degree angle upwards for some reason. When I got this fan, it was just a motor. I was lucky I found the blades that actually went with it. And a pile of just spare blades, so I got lucky on that. There's medium low. Next we have medium high. So it's doing a little bit of a bruise so far. Let's go ahead and go to high. There we go. As you can clearly hear, she flies. Very good air. With a light fixture. I'm thinking I'm going to keep this fan. I might trade or sell it if the price is right, but this fan is pretty unique, I think. I've never seen a 36-inch one once again. So it's unique to me, if anything. I'm actually very happy with this thing. It seems quiet. What's that? Decent breeze. Decent RPMs also. Alright, let's go ahead and spin down. Ooh, is it hot in this garage? After this, I'll be testing the Delta tubes. One actually may go in the laundry room to replace the SMC. The SMC has been making some bearing noise, and they're hard to get to the vents. So if the one with the light fitter works well, they'll probably end up going in there. And there we go. Thanks for watching.